Pagod ka na bang mag-deal sa mga gusot or lukot mong damit every time na you will go outside? Watch how the simplest garment steamer makes your cloth looks presentable every time you step out. This is a total game changer. Look how effortless it is to iron my brown long sleeve.
Hey, I'm Cal, and this is my first time creating this kind of content, so please bear with me. Let me tell you why I chose to buy this product from Simplus. This is a garment steamer, and here are my 3 reasons why I bought this product.
1. It is foldable and easy to store. Second, it is portable and travel friendly, so you can bring it anywhere.
Third, it is super easy to use.
Just fill the water tank, you press the button, and once the light indicator turns on, you're ready to go.
If you are a busy mom and you don't want to be late with your work, probably you are living alone or you are one of the working students. Let me tell you, this will make your life more easier than before. And with this garment steamer,
You can save your time.
minimizes your effort. Or baka naman you could use this on your next travel.